families and rhyming words. Let's get started. In this lesson, we will learn about the word family, it. Come on, let's get started. Now that we know what sound each letter makes, we can start combining the letters to make words. When we combine I and T together, it makes a it sound. Can you try making that sound? It. Well done. Let's take a look at some words that rhyme with it. Ba-it, ba-it, bit. Fa-it, fa-it, fit. Ha-it, ha-it, hit. Sa-it, sa-it, sit. Let's read a story together. Keep a lookout for all of the words that end with it. It is for you, said Dad. What is it? Jan said. Is it big? Is it little? What is it? Jan said. Sit, Dad said. It is a cat. Let's take a look at the words again. This time, I would like you to sound them out. Bit. Fit. Ha-it, hit. Sit. You did so well. You get a sticker. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Let's check for understanding. By the end of this lesson, I know the sound that it words make. I can sound out and read the words that end with it.